Hey guys, this is Mr. Verdelli, and we're gonna try something new here. Try to teach you how to make a spreadsheet using Google Docs. So the first thing we do, we go to create, and you see all the different choices. We're gonna click on spreadsheet, and the first thing I like it to do is to name your spreadsheet. That way you'll know what you're working on, and we're gonna make this project 1. Click OK, and we're gonna enter some data here. We're gonna first enter the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday. And what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna pretend we're running the Cuda Cafe and see what we're selling every day, what items or how much money worth of items. So let's say we're selling some sodas and some chips, some potato chips, and let's say some candy bars. Yeah, candy bars. And we're just gonna enter some random data there, some whatever amount, $22.50 and $2.75. I guess that was a pretty bad day. $21.80 and $32.60. And those of you who are familiar with Excel, this basically works the same, or also if you worked on open offices spreadsheet, it pretty much works the same. I think this one does not have as many bells and whistles, but it does a pretty good job. So we're gonna see what we can learn. Let's enter some more stuff here. On Friday, $22.50. And let's see some more. Okay, $23.95. We're gonna do $25.50. Just $31.62. That should be 60 actually. Make it even numbers. $25.50. And let's do one more, $27.10. So the next thing we're gonna do is let's see, yeah, we need to have like a total sales. That way we'll know what we're selling for every week. And yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna highlight all the numbers, and we're gonna format that so you will know it's money. So we go to number, and then we go, you see how it says $1,000.12. So this one has the decimal point. Over there you have more currencies in case you're from another country, which we're not. So we're just gonna click on so you will have the decimal point with 10 cents, 20 cents, whatever. We're gonna set up the formula. We just click on sum. We highlight the 3 numbers we want to add. Okay, and again we need to format that, and we're gonna copy it. See, that way we can just copy and paste. There might be a faster way to do this, but I know if you press Control V, it doesn't work quite well. So we're gonna highlight all of them so we can format them. Go to numbers, and there you go. Piece of cake. Okay, so after that, let's see what else we can do. Okay, another thing we might want to consider here, which we need to learn, is if we want to, let me see, where do we find that? I think it's in insert tools, insert, yeah. Let us see if we can make a chart. So what we do is we click on the chart, and we click right there to pick the data. Okay, see, and that's the data right there we want to highlight. Just basically the days of the week, the items and the amounts. We're not putting the totals on it. Okay, then we pick the type of chart we want to use. You see all the different ones. There's some more, depending on what you like their pie charts and things like that some people like to use. They're a little easier to understand sometimes. I kind of like the bars personally. See, like this one over here, it has the days of the week on the side, you know, and each color is a different day. Like Mondays is blue, Tuesday is red. But you can see all the charts over here. Also, you can customize it. For example, we need to put a title for it right there. So we're gonna name it CUDA Sales. Okay. And let's see what else. Yeah, I guess the layout. We can move that, you know, like the legend. It is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in this case. We can move it to the top. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. But you see, it doesn't fit. Like Friday doesn't fit in there, so that's not good. If we put it at the bottom, it's the same thing. So we really want to keep it on the right side. I think that looks pretty cool. So we're gonna keep that there. And let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Good looking chart right there. Now we're gonna, but if we put some color on this chart, see, we're gonna right click, consolidate formatting. That's where one clicks. Then you click on background, pick the color yellow. I made it nice and yellow over there. So let's do this over here. Again, you go to consolidate, conditional formatting, I'm sorry. Let's pick a different color over here. Let's make it blue. And let's do the rest of the data. Okay, conditional formatting, background, let's make it green. Save, okay. Now don't forget about this line over here. Okay, so let's right click on it, conditional. Let's make this a softer color since we have yellow at the top. Let's see, that looks good right there. Yeah. Okay. Alright, pretty cool. Now over here we're gonna see if we can make a formula for the total amount. Like if we add Monday to Friday, how would we do that? It's pretty much the same thing. We're gonna name it total sales, and we're doing a sum again. Okay, we just have to tell the spreadsheet where the numbers are. So again, if we click on sum, we're gonna highlight the numbers we want to add. Okay, which in this case has all the totals. Okay, so that's C12 through G12. Very good. Okay, we're gonna format this. Remember, it's currency. So again, we're gonna format numbers. Number with 2 decimals. Click on it. And let's go give it some color. Let's say whatever. Click right there. Awesome. Okay. And that's it. So as you can see, it turned out well. I think it looks pretty cool. And again, make sure you look at your assignment. Yeah, we're gonna name the label, by the way. So we just click on the label, rename, and let's say this is the first week. So we can say sales week 1. And yeah, good enough. Click OK. So you see, now we know that's it. If we have another sheet, we can name it sales week 2. A third sheet would be sales week 3, and so on. So anyways, I think it looks pretty cool. So well, maybe we can try this again with other projects, but as you can see, that worked out pretty well. So thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so let me know how you like this kind of presentation instead of having the videos. Y'all have a good day.